karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to review my Victorinox Spartan. Okay, so guys, the Spartan which I own is the Spartan camouflage. So the scales of this knife, they come in camouflage finish. Okay, and you can see a Victorinox logo on top of it. So guys, before I proceed further, like I would like to tell you, I paid about 6 Omani Reals for it, so which is equivalent to 15 American dollars. I got it in a sale. So now let us see the tools which come with this knife. So guys, it has one large blade. So the blade, this is about 2.5 inches long. Okay, and on the blade it is written Officer Swiss. So it seems to be designed for the officers of Swiss Army. Okay, so then it has a small blade. Okay, and so the small blade is about 1.5 inch long, and guys, these blades are very sharp. So always I tell you, so be very careful while opening and closing these knives. Okay, so then it has then it has a bottle opener with a large screwdriver, and it has a wire stripper. Okay, here you can see the wire stripper. So it is used to strip the wires, like to make connections. And then it has a can opener, and the tip of the can opener can be used as a small screwdriver. Okay, so let us see what's there on the other side. Okay, so it has a cork opener, so you can use to open the wine bottles and any other bottles which are closed with a cork. And then it comes with owl. Okay, so this tool, it can be used to punch holes in leather or anything. It is also called a sew tool. It can also be used to stitch leather things, or in emergency you can use it for stitching things. Okay, then it comes with a keychain. Okay, and then standard, so a toothpick and a tweezer, or we call it as plucker. So total how many tools in it? 1, then 2, then we have 3, 4, 5, then we have 6, 7, see, 8 is the large screwdriver, 9, and wire stripper 10, and then small screwdriver 11, and the can cutter opener 12. So total 12 utility tools on this single small knife. So guys, this was Victorinox Spartan. Okay, so guys, again I would request, if you like our videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more utility tools and tech reviews on it. And all of you, thanks for watching, and stay